First, I'd like to introduce a longtime Dialogic partner and friend, Kent Winter, who's VP of Sales at Apex. Kent, you want to talk to us a little bit about how you're working with media servers, PowerMedia XMS, and MRF, and IMS domain?
Thanks, Chad, and thanks to all at Dialogic for letting us take part in this today. Yes, I'm here to talk to you about the Apex IMS platform with the PowerMedia XMS MRF. My name is Kent Winter. I'm the VP of Sales for the EMEA and Asia regions. What does Apex do? Well, Apex provides a service delivery platform built around the Omnivox 3D SIP application server with a primary focus on customer self-care and value-added services. The benefits that our customers find using our platform are reduced time to market with our award-winning service creation environment and our many service-ready solutions, along with a very reliable and robust service execution environment. We've been doing this for 25 years, and so our implementations go beyond IMS to many TDM, SIP, and hybrid implementations. Some of the applications we've done over these 25 years on this multi-service platform, range from audio and video conferencing, network IVR, and even the karaoke application, which Dean mentioned earlier. We have a full Class 5 feature set, a lot of call center integration, and ACD functionality. We're able to do this with our worldwide network of VARs who offer localization support. And we've also OEM'd our software to some of the biggest names in the business. Here's a few of the 250-plus network operators around the world where we're using our software and our platforms. And as I move this along, I'm going to start off here by giving you a high-level overview of the product overview of our service delivery platform, which is essentially we have on the top layer OmniView, which is our browser-based service creation environment, and OEM&P management, so all operations, administration, maintenance, and provisioning. As applications are created in OmniView, they're driven by the Omnivox 3D application server, which offers all session and application control, and it's part of those applications are driving the SIP MRF, which is Dialogic XMS PowerMedia. So from a network overview, it looks, the architecture of our platform looks something like this. Calls come in via WebRTC or SIP from the network. Our application servers answer the call, and then we route the RTP audio or video, either SIP or WebRTC VP8, to the XMS PowerMedia, and we drive multimedia applications. So some of the key features and the reasons that Apex is so happy with the XMS MRF, first and foremost, we do voice and for the last several years, video IVR. And we're able to control that via the MSML, which is a very important feature in delivering an IMS type network. Obviously, the IMS and VoLTE support, and the ability to get content streamed to us. We also use Dialogic for audio and video conferencing, and the transcoding and WebRTC support are very vital for that. Also, the transcoding between networks, as many SIP networks have different transcoding, we're able to use Dialogic to transcode between networks. And of course, as Rakendu mentioned earlier, having the ability to have a software-based media server and a leader in virtualization, Dialogic helps us a lot there in meeting our customer demands. The Apex IMS implementation, first, we have a standard ISE interface for the core networks. MSML and MSCML protocols are supported for MRFs. And then we use, for WebRTC endpoints, which Dean was talking about the importance there, and we're hearing more about that, we use WebSocket transport via the SIP protocol to get media out to those endpoints. And all of this lends to, our GUI, our graphical user interface, ability to create easy multimedia IMS services. As I move along here, we're short a bit on time. Here's a quick overview of the OmniView service creation environment and OEM&P interface. OmniView allows you to drag and drop and create applications, and then simply save and publish them. So we have this high-level interface, which allows you to create and modify applications quickly. We also have low-level interfaces for things like web services, so you can mash up with the Internet of Things and keep multimedia applications going. Dashboards to manage the real-time applications as they're going. And then I'm going to touch on 3 success stories we have here with Dialogic XMS. The first one's a Tier 1 carrier here in the United States. We're integrated in an Ericsson IMS network to do video conferencing, and not just any video conferencing, but any device to any device video conferencing built to the customer specification. The key to this for us was being able to put this in an IMS network with an MSML-controlled multimedia MRF, and of course, Dialogic's leadership in WebRTC also helps in that any device to any device story. A second opportunity that we've been able to implement the Dialogic MRF in is across the world in Africa at MTN, where we are doing an IVR for network auto attendant. We're basically allowing enterprise customers in a hosted environment, an Ericsson VPN environment, to modify and control their own IVR scripts and their own auto attendant scripts via a web page. All of this was put together in less than 2 months. And then a third implementation here with the Dialogic PowerMedia is we'll travel south to Usacell in Mexico, which is a long-time Apex IVR customer using this for customer services. They had a need to have more effective collections. Outbound telemarketing wasn't working, so they decided to do call interception, where they were intercepting outbound calls of people whose bills were overdue. And as that call goes out, the call is intercepted. The people are offered a chance to pay their bill, are reminded that they need to pay their bill, that it's overdue, and it's much more effective. In fact, they found a 30% improvement in collections based on using this. So that's pretty much Apex. Apex, as I said, offers a proven service delivery platform with a number of service-ready solutions available today. Our application server is the robust core of that, using Dialogic's PowerMedia for voice, video, and data applications. All of that, the PowerMedia applications, you don't need to worry about low-level APIs. You can use our service creation environment. And we would be happy to work with you. So if anybody on this call today wants to contact us, we'll validate a fit and work with you. There's my contact information along with my colleague Fabio Tillum, who's the Vice President of Americas. Please get a hold of us and let us know your needs. Thank you very much.
Great. Thanks, Kent.